When it comes to learning languages, the thing I hate the most is memorizing vocabulary. Sometimes we have to memorize vocabulary to pass English tests at school, but will we keep using them afterward and will they go to our long term memory? I doubt that. In this video, I'll share with you methods I've tried. Some of them worked, some of them didn't. We all need a different approach, so choose the one that works best for you. I've noticed that when I learn a new word, I start hearing it everywhere from my friends to TV shows and podcasts. You don't need to search for these words. Just surround yourself with English environment and you will come across them. I get messages like this from my students a lot. In my previous video, I shared what tools you can use to improve fluency and create learning environments, so check it out. To remember the word, you need to engage with it. And remember, you won't always be motivated. So don't wait for the right time to learn new words. It's very stressful when you have to learn 50 words at once. But is it really stressful to learn one word a day? I don't think so. We need to work on discipline. Merriam-Webster offers the word of the day. For example, today, the word of the day is hive mind. Make it a habit to learn one word a day. In a year, you will know 365 words. I can do maths. You learn best by listening. This approach is suitable for you. They not only offer a word of the day, but also provide audio and explanation of the word. Next, enter the word in English, choose your desired accent, and keep repeating after speakers. ESL Lab is a great choice for traditional learners. Listen, repeat, complete exercises. For many students, that's too boring. Websites like Voice of America provide a little bit more engaging exercises. They practice correct pronunciation, show your tongue position, and even give you a chance to read your sentence backward. Not all of us are auditory learners. If you're a visual learner, websites like Memrise will be a great solution for you. It offers a lot of pictures, unscramble the word game, fill out the gap, and so on. Check out the list of websites I recommend for visual learners in description to this video. As you know, books are also a great source of vocabulary. In case you love reading, I've got a good way for you. If you like some sort of competition, consider joining vocabulary.com. They organize daily vocabulary competition and the word selection is chosen from books. If you get some wrong answers, you can create your vocabulary list and review them later. These ways do not work for you, don't worry, I have something else. Probably you'll learn better if you write the word with a pen. You need to write the word, feel it, experience it. Get some sticky notes. Start by writing the word, drawing a picture, and provide an explanation. Don't forget to include an example sentence to better understand how to use it. Once you finish the initial stage, the next crucial step for all learners is 5 minutes speaking practice. The aim is to use the word of the day during the practice. I will attach the list of the websites where you can find a study partner. I was using Tandem. It's a free website where you can have language exchange. The best part about it is that you can record audio. It's your unique chance to practice the word of the day. You can even choose your partner who will correct your pronunciation. You can also do the same for the person learning your native language. You choose the partner based on interest and the system will match you, so that is pretty cool. If you guys know some better sources for vocabulary learning, please share in the comments. So let's break it down. Choose one of the 3 methods that works best for you during the initial stage. Afterward, engage in 5-minute daily practice by recording a few sentences with new vocabulary. Let me know what methods work best for you. I hope this video was useful for you and motivated you not to fear learning new words. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and see you later.